Understanding your financial future. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a term that is crucial to everyone's life: financial future. This phrase might sound a bit complex, but don't worry. We're going to break it down together, so you can not only understand it but also start thinking about your own financial future. Financial future refers to the state of your money or assets in the upcoming years. It's not just about how much money you'll have, but also about your overall financial health, including savings, investments, debts, and anything else that involves your money. Understanding your financial future helps you make plans and decisions today that will affect how comfortably you can live down the road. Your financial future is important because it determines a lot of things in your life. It affects where you can live, how you can educate yourself and your family, and even when you can retire. By thinking about your financial future, you can set goals and make smarter decisions, like saving for a home, investing in education, or planning for retirement. Several factors can influence your financial future. 1. Income. Your job or business is typically the primary source of income. Your future financial health is heavily dependent on your career choices and the income they generate. 2. Savings and investments. Money that you save or invest can grow over time, contributing positively to your financial future. 3. Expenditure. Your spending habits today can significantly affect your financial future. Wise spending and budgeting are key to securing a better financial outlook. 4. Debt. Loans and debts can be a part of your financial landscape, but how you manage them will influence your future financial health. 5. Economic factors. The economy's health, including inflation rates, interest rates, and market stability, can also impact your financial future. Planning is crucial for a bright financial future. Here are some steps you can take. 1. Set clear financial goals. Know what you want your future to look like and set specific, measurable goals to get there. 2. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses, and make a plan that allows you to save and invest for the future. 3. Invest wisely. Learn about different investment options and choose ones that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. 4. Manage debt. Understand your debts and create a plan to manage and reduce them over time. 5. Stay informed. Keep yourself educated about financial matters and stay updated with economic changes. Understanding and planning for your financial future is a journey, not a one-time task. We hope this video helps you take the first steps towards a secure and prosperous future. Remember, the decisions you make today can shape your tomorrow. So, start planning, stay disciplined, and keep learning. Until next time, take care and manage your finances wisely.